Hi everyone, this is Sasha with the intraday update for the NASDAQ 100. Yeah, we hit the 38.2 as projected in the first update in the morning, and we sold off from here in the fifth wave. Um, it needs to be a five-wave move. Okay, we have done wave one, two, probably the three, four, and another five. So it could probably, yeah, how to say it? I mean, let me just put up again some extensions here for our internal count of the fifth wave. Yeah. So it could go a little bit lower, and then we should get a fourth wave and another five, okay, to the downside of the five, of C, of Y, of B. And that should finish at the moment. So this is at the moment my scenario still, as long as we are breaking, as long as we are not breaking several levels to the downside. Um, that we should find support here, okay? And this is what I'm telling you about the last days, or probably also in the morning update today, that this could be the end at the moment here, okay? It could really be the end. I mean, I cannot rule out further downside continuation, but this is at the moment my primary target area for at least a reversal to the upside, okay? And there it comes to play. I've marked that in yellow here, that, oops, I marked that in yellow, that if we come out or find support in this area, and it's really just a corrective move to the upside, okay, then is this what is finishing here in between where I've labeled my white scenario in the alternate scenario wave A with a B wave counter trend rally in three waves, that's very important, and then followed by a C wave down, which I've labeled here also on the chart, okay? It's not at the moment the target areas, but the retracement area which I've put on the chart here is at the moment when we go at least to my target area. Okay, this can shift a little bit as deep as we go here because I cannot rule out that we at least go to the 61.8. I cannot rule that out. But normally we should find support in between here in my target box, which I have on the chart. And if this move to the upside stays corrective, then it's a B wave. If we get really nice five waves up, we could call that at the moment the low with one more high to do in the minor fifth wave. Okay, so this is at the moment really just a guesstimate here. We have to see how this is developing, but at least in the support area, we should find support. Okay, it's not a must. It's really not a must, but we should find support here. Okay, and if we don't do that, then I have to label this a little bit different. That it would be a 1, 2, and then it's the beginning of the third wave down. But I would not expect that under the actual circumstances. I mean, it could be that we come down, but I try to give probabilities here on the chart with a possible guideline for the market or the path the market could take. And this is, in my view, a strong reversal possibility, possible reversal area to the upside, at least in this B wave bounce, which I showed you in yellow. But if we find support here and we start off with strong volume and forming a nice low, not like this here, which I was talking about the last days, that I don't like the structure here, that we have, if we find a nice low here with a strong reversal to the upside, and we can be sure that possible something more bullish is going on. At least this B wave, which I have here on the chart in yellow. Oh my God, sorry. With the B wave here in yellow, let me just move these targets a bit. So we should get some kind of a reversal here, okay? If we break through everything, then we have to count it differently, okay? But this is a primary support area all the way down to the 61.8. But I have defined closer targets here in this area, which I have talked about in the morning update. I can go over them again if you want to have them here. So first target is 20,229. Then we have 20,212. Then we have the 50% retracement here at 20,178. Then we have 20,031 and 20,003 and also 19,980. So these are the target areas. So it could really be just a quick dip inside and then reverse for me because I cannot rule out that we're gonna go possibly grab some liquidity down here in this area, maybe take some stops out and then reverse. It's we have to be very, very cautious in these possible reversal areas. We need confirmation. Okay, we need really confirmation, and the first confirmation would be a break above that swinger here at least. Okay, for possible more upside continuation. So let's see how this plays out. Happy trading today. Trade safe and be cautious here, okay? I can only tell you that. And in the opening, it could be a little bit choppy because we need a fourth wave and then another fifth wave to the downside. So be prepared for a possible ugly B wave and then another leg down, okay? Have a good trading day. Bye-bye. See you later. Ciao.